Hello everyone, I will show you the portal whereabouts of TMGM TradeMax Global Markets. So here is the setting. In the setting, you can change your leverage, your password for both invest and trading password, and also your HubX pin. You can see it here. So this is from the setting. Next is I will show you the trading server. So make it sure that you know your trading server before you log in on your MT4 platform or your MetaTrader app, okay, on your mobile. So this is your trading server, Live 4, Live 3, and the Live 2. And also your trading account or your MT4 account. So this is the trading account or MT4 account, okay? And this is the name, and make it sure that it is EN, so it means enable for your account status. And this is the leverage. Make it sure that your leverage is 1:100 and above for the maximum of 1:500. And we are using USD currency. And this is the credit. And this is the balance of your account. And this is the equity. And this is your floating profit. So it means there is no trading yet because it's 0. Okay. And this is your stop out or margin call. So it means if your account is reach 40%, it means there is a margin call. Okay. And then this is for the live account. So if you want to see your demo account, click this demo like this and show you your demo account here. For the live, you can click this, and for the demo, you can click this. Okay, then this is your wallet points. You can see the wallet points here is 1,372. You can claim anytime for your wallet points. It gives you $15 for every 300 points. So in this account, already earned $60 because it's already 1,372. Okay, then next is we will go to the menu. Here is the dashboard that we been here just now, and then funding management where you can withdraw your account. So if you want to withdraw your account, go to funding management and choose which account you want to withdraw. And then go to also to reports. Reports will give you your transaction report for the whole year or whole month, your orders report, and then for your leverage change report. And then if there is a promotion, we'll give you to the promotion report. So your transaction report, orders report, leverage report, leverage change report, promotion report, it will appear on reports. And then for the agreements and documents where you can upload your IDs, okay? And then next is your trading tools. So for the trading tools, you can upload or you can download or you can use only on your laptop or desktop. Then downloads. Here's the downloads. Here we go. So for the downloads, you can download MetaTrader 4 application on your phone, and also the MT4 download on the Windows using your laptop or your desktop. Okay. Next is member profile. So for the member profile, you can reset your password or your portal password or your setting like this. So you want to be language is Japanese or Tagalog or Chinese, you can change. And then you want to subscribe new emails, receiving margin call email, you can do it and then submit. Okay, that's all. Thank you.